So hello everyone, welcome back to Codersarts. So in previous video we have created the UI and for the text to speech project and also created an edit text and a button for the text to speak. And in this video we are going to write the code for the main activity. By using the main activity we have to write some code and we are going to execute it, and also we are going to test it in our Android device. So let's start and begin with the writing code. So basically what is here, as we can see, we have to first hide it, and this is our editor, and here we have to write some variable, okay, which is the private late init var, and by using this, so tts text to speech. Okay, so this is the class that we are going to use for the our text to speech, and this is the text to speech class. You can press control and go there as well, and this is the library that we are going to use for the text to speech one. Okay, so just click here, cross it, and we are going to use this. So in this we have to create some more variable or as well, so which is the private late init var, and this is the input text, and this is the basically text view. Sorry, it is the edit text. Okay, and also we need to create one more variable, which is the private late init var and speak button, which is the speak button. Okay, and this one is the button. Okay, so then after we need to initialize the code, and after the initializing we are going to use it. So how we can initializing it? So we have to first add some comment here. Okay, like the initializing the variables. Okay, so we have to initialize the variable view variable here, and which is the input text. Okay, so we have to first remove this variable name input text. Okay, it is not a text view, it is an edit text, and then after we are using the find view by id, which is r.id dot input text. Okay, and then we have to use the speak button equal to find view by id r dot id dot speak button. Okay, so we have initialized both of them, and then after we have to initialize the text to speech as well. So the tts dot equal to text to speech, and also we have to pass the this here and the this here. Okay, so this is the listener, and which will be the this. So basically we have some basic error, so we will resolve it later, and we have to go to the speak button dot set on click listener. Okay, and then after we have to pass it. So let's see what's the hint. Basically here is saying like we have to implement the interface of the init on it text to speech on init listener. Okay, so we have to overwrite it. Just click on overriding this method, and we have to write the on init method here. Okay, so after that we have to create a variable text here, which is a type of string, which is input text dot get text dot to string. Okay, and we are going to pass if, so we have to check it if the text is dot is sorry is empty. Okay, is not empty, actually is not empty, then we have to go to the inner code and we have to write it. So we have to use the speak out method. Okay, speak out. In this speak out we have to pass the text here. Okay, so now let's create this method as well. By using this method we have to use it. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to write some code in this text to speech, and then after we have to initialize this. So basically in speak we have to pass the text to speech. Okay, so let's use the TTS here and speak. In this speak method we have to pass the text here, and after passing the text we have to use the text to speech dot q, which is q flash, and after that we have to pass the null variable here in the parameter and the blank string for the default. Okay, so this is the reference thing that we are going to use for speak out method. And during the initializing we have to use some more code. Okay, so what is the code here? We have to write if the status one, like the status that we are getting is double equal to double equal to uh, text to speech is successful, initialization is successful, then dot success, then only we have to use initialization. Okay, so if the on so we have to create one more variable here, which is val result. In this result we have to use our TTS here, and we are going to use the set language, so which is the local. Okay, local dot us1. Okay, so we are using the us, and if the result is double equal to text to speech dot language is missing data or any other thing, so we have to show some text messages or the log here. So the language missing data or any other thing, so language missing data or the result, sorry, the result or the result is double equal to text to speech dot language not supported as well. Okay, so we can use this one as well. So we have to print some log messages for it. Just log dot error. In this error we have to use some tag, which is TTS. We have to use some capital letter here for the tag, and then after we have to pass the string message, which is like the language specified is not supported. The language specified is not supported. Okay, and then we have to write one more else section. We have to enable the speak button. Okay, dot enable equal to true. Okay, Once it will get enabled, then you are able to click there. Or if it is not happening, then we have to write one more else case here. In this else case, we have to use log.e, which is tts, comma, and we are going to use the initialization field. Initialization failed. Okay, so we have to use it here. Okay, log.e, and also we have to use some toast messages as well for our data. Toast dot make text, we have to pass the context here, and also we have to pass the some message like result dot toast, and we have to pass toast dot length long, and also we are using dot show method here. Okay, so we have created a toast message here as well, and we are going to use it, and after the initialization we are going to override it. Okay, so now there is a one problem. We have to if we want to destroy our activity, so we have to stop this TTS because it is a service and it is going to create a lot of trouble in it. So let's write the code for the on destroy as well. So on destroy method, in this on destroy method we have to uh, write some code. If dot tts dot each initialize. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to stop it. So we are going to use the tts dot stop. Okay, and we have to also shut down this tts dot setup. Okay, so actually it is a service, so we have to initialize like stop it and shut down the service, then only we can use it. So we have written all the code for this, and so let's try in the emulator. So in next video we are going to execute our application on the emulator or on or in a real device. So being with us, thank you so much.